gotta say though, other than the little track ridges, he flattened everything out at the job site real nice with the track. Wasn't any bobcat ruts for about a week.
It's really pretty ingenious. It's really simple.
Yeah.
I mean, once they got that track figured out, I mean,
That was the hardest part.
yeah, but I mean, they offset it. It's just, it's simple. That's why it works so well.
Which after the like the mat tracks and all that kind of broke ground in all of that
Yeah.
category. Got sand in your eye? Hang on.
The only thing I might have to do is tighten up the, now that he's wore in those new tracks a little bit, that
Yeah, that's
they might be
for sure.
tightened up a little
I
bit.
was just looking at this one.
Yeah.
But you don't want them too tight either, because then it stretches them all the time.
Right. Well, that's what the guy said. He said you don't really need to mess with them because the temperature fluctuates and that changes it too.
Dad, are you gonna start?